Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home place or residence where you live. Inshallah. Ameen. This is your English subject recorded class for grade metric. I am your teacher, Miss Sobia Naz, from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmad Khan campuses in Johor campus. I'm going to explain you your chapter from a railway carriage of your English book, chapter number 7. As you all know that I always record your videos according or in the form of question answers so that you can easily understand the essence or whole chapter. With this regard, in future you will easily be able to attempt your monthly tests, your preliminary examinations and your board exams for the subjective section for particular chapter. I hope you all will listen to this recorded video carefully. Let's start discussion or explanation. In this chapter includes a journey of the poet through railway, description of the sight that the poet witnessed during his journey. That means all the scenes that has been observed by the poet we will discuss in this poem from a railway carriage. Key points: the experience of the poet of a journey. As you all know that this was the first journey of the poet. Fascinated by the speed of train, by the end of session or by the end of recorded session, you can easily understand that poet is fascinated by the speed of train, enchanted by the continuously changing sights around him, enjoying everything with full of joy and happiness. Central idea of this poem: the poet Robert Louis Stevenson, traveling from railway, he expressed his observation that how much he has been pleased by the journey. As the poet having his journey from the railway for the very first time, he expressed his observation that throughout the journey how he enjoyed, how he pleased with the scenes. Throughout the journey, he found the sights in panoramas very enchanting and mesmerizing. जितनी भी situations है, जितनी भी जो sceneries थी या जितनी भी जो है natural beauty जो from the sight of the poet जो है गुजर रही थी, he enjoyed really well. ठीक है, mesmerized with that all sceneries. Though he just had glimpse of them, the scene around the poet changes continuously. As we all know that by traveling train, all the scenes goes by changes continuously within a seconds. Yet every single glimpse touches him profoundly. Even that all scenes are changing continuously, the glimpse of all the scenes, of all the beauties touches him profoundly. बहुत ज़्यादा गहरा असर डाला. Summary of the poem. In this poem, from a railway carriage, the poet shares the experience of his first railway journey. As I have told you in previous slides also, that this was the first journey of the poet in which he describes his experience throughout the journey. He has been amazed by the speed of the train, as we have discussed in the key points. He has been amazed by the speed of the train, how fast the train is moving. He says that the speed of train is faster than the speed of fairies and witches. That means that fairies and witches even don't move that fast that train moves. It runs so fast that the bridges, houses, rows of thorny plants and ditches pass by in a moment. All these things, bridges, houses, plants, they just pass by in a moment. It will not take too long to pass by. All the things which comes to the sight of the poet changes frequently. It goes forward so quickly as army soldiers attack the enemy in the battlefield. मतलब they have gave example or they have compared it with the army of soldiers that attack enemy in the battlefield. The train runs through common grassy lands. Now the poet sees that the train runs through common grassy lands where horses and cattle are grazing. मतलब वो जो होता है वो जो जितने भी जानवर होते हैं वो चल रहे होते हैं. Many colorful buildings appears and disappears in a sudden situation. Now frequently moments will change. That is why colorful buildings appears and disappears in a seconds, in a glance, due to the speed of the train. Poet sees a child climbing a steep ground. He also sees a person looking at the train with amazement. We all have seen that now. If you have traveled from the train, most of the time we have seen that the people nearby the village or the train side, they look at the train with amazement. He sees some ladies making garlands of daisies in a village. That means जो फूलों का जो मालाएं बनाई जाती है. That means in the middle of the road there was a cart with load. Cart with load means जो जिस पे सामान लादा जाता है. Due to heavy load it was moving awkwardly because it's carrying heavy load na, that is why it's moving awkwardly. The cart man was sitting on the load. Even there is no place, the cartman is sitting on the load. He also sees the rivers and flour mills. All these scenes appears and disappears in a very short moment. All the sceneries, all the scenes that pass by the poet will disappear and appeared in a very short moment. Suddenly it changes from one side to another. I hope you all are cleared with this poem from a railway carriage, in which we have discussed that how poet is mesmerized by his first journey, by the moments or by the scenes that changes frequently within a seconds, how he felt so joyous after having journeyed by the train and sees all the beauty of the nature. Till your next class, I hope you will be fine, inshallah. This I'm again telling you, do watch your recorded videos. It will be helpful for your further learning and understanding of the chapter or poems, whatever you have in your book. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.